Did you know that many of the processed foods that we were brought up on were actually owned and created by tobacco companies? In the 1980s, tobacco giants Phillip Morris and R.J. Reynolds purchased three of the biggest food companies at the time and absolutely dominated the processed food supply. Tobacco companies. So many processed foods a lot of us grew up eating, such as Oreos, Ritz crackers, Cadbury chocolate, Kraft mac and cheese, and many, many more, were tinkered in the same way these cigarette companies formulated cigarettes to make them addictive as possible. They had a whole library of artificial flavors and colors and additives that they used for cigarettes and realized they could use these ingredients to add them to their food products. A cigarette has over 600 ingredients that are perfectly formulated to make them as addictive as possible. Well, it's the same as these processed foods, right? Adding the precise and perfect ratios of sugar, fat, and sodium with a mixture of these artificial flavors and additives disguised as food, made to hit those reward centers to get us hooked and keep us coming back for more without us even knowing it. But the thing is, these hyper palatable, ultra processed foods don't have warning labels like cigarettes do, even though they're causing more widespread disease. Instead, they're strategically marketed with bright colors and alluring fonts and images targeted at children. Then here we are, with chronic illness like diabetes, cancer, autoimmune disease, and heart disease only on the rise. We are lucky now that we have companies coming out that are making products not filled with all these harmful chemicals, additives, preservatives, seed oils, and other bullshit, but we've still got a long way to go. All it takes is seeing the wool that's been pulled over our eyes and re-establishing in our minds what is real food and what is disguised as food.